Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips by AP. In this video, we'll be learning sorting and filtering of a data. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. We have three ways from which we can do sorting and filtering. First is in the home tab, you have a group called editing, and in editing you have here sorting and filtering option. The second option is available in the data tab. In data tab, you have a sort and filter group. And third option is right click on the data and you can see these options, and from this option you have the sort and filter option. First we will see the sorting. So first if I select the data and if I right click on the data and click on sort A to Z, it is asking me expand the section or continue with the current section. If I will select continue with the current section, only sorting will be applied on column B. Let's see what happens. You can see that everything is as it is, just column B is sorted from A to Z. But what if I click on expand the section? If I click sort A to B, expand the section, and I will click on sort. So you can see that with this section, automatically this section is also sorted. What if I want to sort the name, first name, and then I want to sort second name, then the country? I want to sort multiple columns. So for this, I will go on sort. I will select custom sort. So you have now option here that which column should be sorted for. If I will click that my data as headers, so it will consider the headers, the first name, last name, country and marks. So I want the first name, then I will add a level, then I want second sorting with last name, then again I will add the level and I want country to be sorted. I will click on OK. Now you can see that in Arthur and Amanda, T and then S. Same like in this K, you have M and B, and in this also you have first I and then U. So instead of sorting this using first name, last name, first I want to be sorted the last name, then first name and then country. So you will select the data, go on custom sort, or now we will try from data. So you can go over here and automatically you have filtered over here. So I will just delete this filter. I will add a new level. Last name I want to be sorted in alphabetical order from A to Z. Then first name I want to be sorted from Z to A. And then country also I want to be sorted from Z to A. So you can see that first this is sorted, then first name is getting sorted, and then country is getting sorted. And that too, these two columns are sorted in reverse order. So up till now you have seen the sorting of this number. Like if I will click on this number and go to sorting section, smallest to largest, and expand the current section. Now you can see that sorting is done. But what if you want to do the sorting in horizontal way? So we can do sorting in horizontal way also. You can go on data and then you can click on sorting, and in this sorting you can find the option button over here. You will click on option and sort from top to bottom. Instead of that, you have to select sort from left to right. You will press OK, and now you can see that you have row 3 and 4. So now my data is in row 4. So I will select smallest to largest. I can see that data is sorted. Earlier while doing the sorting part, we were seeing that column was getting selected, G, H, I kind of thing. Right now we saw that row was getting selected. So this way you can do the sorting. Now I will tell you the shortcut for sorting. So the shortcut for sorting is, if you want to open the sorting section, you just need to select the data, and press Alt H SS. So now data is getting sorted automatically. The another shortcut for sorting is Alt ASA. These are the two shortcuts for sorting. Now let's move to the filtering part. So for filtering part, I can just select the data and go to data, sorting and filtering, and can apply the filter. Instead of doing this, I can apply filter from home tab as well. So I will select the data, and if I want to remove the filter, again I will click on filter option and it will get removed. And now I want to filter so other cells are getting hidden, and I want only India. So this is the filtering part. And if I want to remove all the filters, so what I can do, I can directly click on filter, then the filter is removed. Like in this sheet, if anywhere filter is there, and if you will click on this filter button again, so thus if anywhere filter is there, filter will get removed. And the shortcut key to apply filter is Ctrl Shift L. If you will press Ctrl Shift L, filter will be added, and again if you will press Ctrl Shift L, filter will be removed. The another shortcut for filter is Alt HSF, and if you will again press Alt HSF, filter will get removed. One more shortcut we have is Alt AT. So these are the three shortcuts for filter. And for filter, we can do the filtering from these all options we have. Like we want greater than, so we can do greater than, you can select 40 and okay. So you can see that greater than 40 numbers are filtered now. And if I want filter numbers less than, between or above average, so automatically in backend they have calculated the average, and above the average numbers are filtered. And if I want to filter, now we have below the average also. You can filter in between two ranges also. So if I want, I can go on custom filter. From here also I can select what all things I want. Like suppose if I want greater than or equal to, so I can select greater than equal to 40. So you can see that we have the required data sets. The another way of doing filtering is, if suppose I have applied some color in this data, on this data randomly we are applying color. Now if I want to sort just this yellow color data, so here I have filter by color. So I will just click on the fill color yellow, so it is sorted with this. If I will click on no fill, so data is not sorted in this one. Now if suppose I give some another color, and if I will apply the filters, you can see that now you have 2-3 colors as per requirement. I will add one more new color in this data set. So in filter option, you can see that also. So this way you can apply a filter by colors also.
That's all for this video. See you in next video.